Okay, so to convert a fraction to a repeating decimal, you're going to have to take the top divided by the bottom. So the top always goes inside. And since I know I'm going to have a decimal answers, I need to add some zeros, a decimal point, and I usually start off with 2 zeros. Sometimes I need more than 2. And then you're going to divide by the number that's in the denominator by the outside. So you bring up your decimal point. 3 goes into 11 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract. 11 take away 9 is 2. Bring down the next number, which is 0. 3 goes into 20 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract. 20 take away 18 is 2. Bring down the 0. Okay, you've started repeating yourself. If it's got a repeating decimal as an answer, you're never going to get to 0. It's actually going to continue to repeat itself. 3 goes into 26 times. So as you can see, the 6 is going to repeat. So you write down the numbers that are not repeating. When the 6 repeats, you don't include that. Or whenever a number starts repeating, you just write whatever's in front of that. And then the number that is repeating, you put a repeating bar over it. So 3.6 repeating is the answer to that one. Okay, the next one, numerator inside, and I'm going to just add 2 zeros and a decimal point. Sometimes you need more than 2 zeros. We're going to divide it by 6. Bring up the decimal straight up. 6 does not go into 1, so put a 0. 6 goes into 10 one time. 1 times 6 is 6. 10 take away 6 is 4. Bring down a 0. 6 goes into 40 6 times. 6 times 6 is 36. Subtract. 40 take away 36 is 4. Bring down a 0. You have to add 1 to bring it down. Okay, 6 goes into 40 6 times. We've started to repeat, we can stop. So whatever's in front of the repeating number, you write that down. And then the number that's repeating, you don't put it, it's not 16 that's repeating, it's just the 6. So you put that over a 6. Like that. Okay, 29 divided by 9. Let me do this for a minute. Numerator on top. I'm going to add a decimal point and 2 zeros to start out with. Divide by the denominator, bring the decimal straight up. 9 goes into 29 3 times. 3 times 9 is 27. Subtract. 29 take away 27 is 2. Bring down the 0. 9 goes into 22 times. 2 times 9 is 18. Subtract. 20 take away 18 is 2. Bring down the 0. 9 goes into 20 2 times. You are now repeating, so you can stop. So 3.2, the 2 is repeating. So that's how you write it.